Don't do no pop, no pop. Don't do no tea, no tea. Just do that.
Oh my god. Mac is rough, man. He is a tough little kitty.
Look at we're just waiting. He's waiting.
I know
He's
he is.
staring at his chest, waiting. Get him.
Take him down. Take him down. They're like WWF right now. This is nuts. Mac can hold his own for a little guy. Bro, don't bite. It's so good that Mac does not have claws. Rome would be bleeding right now. Oh my god, did you see that? Did he bite him?
No, he made Rome squeal.
This is so funny. This is incredible.
Last night when Ben, you were on Old Lake Weird.
Don't hide by me, Rome. You started it. Rome, don't bite. Rome. Rome, don't bite. Don't bite. Yeah.
There's a song about the Great Chicago Fire.
Yeah. I've heard that. Oh shit. I'm gonna get pulled in this fight. They came at me. Oh god. Okay, Rome, don't bite. Don't bite. No. No, no. Rome, don't bite. Seriously, don't bite. Don't bite. You can play with Mac, but don't bite. Rome. That's right. It's gonna bite back. Rome, don't bite. Rome, no, no. Rome, back off. Rome. Yeah, that's right. No more. Save no more.